Now let's take a look at what is a static site. In the purest of its essence, a static site is nothing but a page that is pre-built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, right? So what this means is that every time a user requests for a page, let's say the user requested for the About Us page, the server will return the page with everything in it, right? So the About Us page will exist, a pre-built About Us page will exist with all the HTML, CSS and JavaScript that is required for it. And let's say the user requests for a products page, a products page will exist with all the HTML, CSS and JavaScript in it. So the About Us page will contain the HTML that contains the text about that particular